welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith for those of you who don't know me, and today I wanted to share with you guys how I meal prep 5 different flavors of overnight oats on my Sunday night so that I can enjoy a quick and easy and delicious breakfast every day of the week. As you can maybe hear, my son is laughing in the background. He's 7 months. I also have a 3-year-old, so I don't have a ton of time to spend in the kitchen. So I want to share with you guys more quick and easy meal prep ideas. If you enjoy videos like this, please give this video a like and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. But let's just jump right into the recipes.
As always, the recipe links can be found in the description box, as well as a free PDF that you can download to have the recipes for these 5 different flavors on hand whenever you need. To start, I like to place 5 empty jars onto a table, and then I put 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and a pinch of salt into each of them. And then you just want to stir all of these ingredients together just so that the chia seeds get broken up a little bit as they tend to clump together. Then we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup or 1 cup of non-dairy milk. The amount you add really depends on how thick you like your oats. I personally like to use an unsweetened non-dairy milk so that I can control the sugar content, but we're just going to stir everything together before we start adding our flavorings. For the first flavor, double chocolate, we are just going to add a tablespoon of cocoa powder, about a tablespoon of cacao nibs or dairy-free chocolate chips, as well as 2 to 3 teaspoons of maple syrup, and you're just going to stir that really well to combine. For lemon blueberry, you're going to add in some lemon zest, a little bit of maple syrup, as well as some fresh or frozen blueberries. Again, you're just going to want to stir everything together well so that the blueberries get mixed throughout the overnight oats. Next up, I'm going to show you some apple cinnamon overnight oats. So just stir in some cinnamon, some shredded or finely diced apple, as well as a touch of maple syrup if you want. You could use whatever liquid or dry sweetener you want for these recipes. And then again, just stir everything together well. For the 4th flavor, you're just going to stir some jelly into your base ingredients to make some peanut butter and jelly oats. I like to use my homemade berry compote that I showed how to make in a recent video, or you can just use some store-bought jelly. Last but not least, we're going to make some mango coconut oats for a more tropical flavor, and you're just going to stir in some cinnamon, ground ginger, a little bit of coconut milk or cream, as well as some fresh or frozen mango and a touch of maple syrup. Again, just stir everything together well, and you have your 5 different flavors. Before I place these in the fridge to soak overnight, I usually just add in some extra fruit that I might have had on hand when preparing these jars, but all you're going to do is put the lids on and place them in the fridge overnight or for about 4 hours to soak, and the chia seeds will absorb a ton of that extra liquid, and you'll be left with 5 different flavors of thick and creamy and refreshing overnight oats. So for a couple of these flavors, as you might have seen, I made a PB&J oats, but I didn't add any peanut butter. So for some of these, I like to add what I call the day of toppings. The double chocolate oats are already ready to go, but I love to serve these with fresh banana and some more dairy-free chocolate chips. For the lemon blueberry, you can just add on some more blueberries. For the apple cinnamon, I like to add on some chopped walnuts, as well as some more apple if I have it on hand. And of course, for the PB&J, you're going to add on your favorite kind of nut butter. I love peanut butter. And then some more fresh or frozen mango goes great on the mango coconut. If you have shredded coconut, that would also taste delicious. I didn't have any on hand, but as you can see, you have 5 different flavors of healthy, delicious overnight oats so that your mornings are quick and easy and full of flavor. Again, I have a whole blog post on how to make these different flavors of overnight oats at the same time, as well as a free PDF that you can download so that you have all the recipes in one place. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you did, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Bye!